Hello lovely people, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I am going to show you how to block someone at Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Snapchat app. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat application, and after opening the Snapchat, simply click to this chat option here. Step 2. Select the person to block. Now after coming to the chat, just simply select the person that you want to block. Step 3. Block the person. After tapping to the person that you want to block, you can see this manage friendship option here. Just simply click into that. And now you can see this block option into here. Click to the block option. Now after clicking to the block option, it will ask for the confirmation to block. Simply confirm to block by clicking to this block option. By following these very easy steps, you can block anyone into your Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.